This really does. His battery's dying. That's so funny. I was over there, I was like, what's that sound? And I was thinking one day I homed in on it.
Like a little bastard.
Yeah. You go look at the elephant field? He's alright, he hasn't looking straight at it. That is so funny. Oh, really? He's coming to me. He wants his feed now.
He's right here. Oh, you're not gonna come and bite me or something. Hey!